Natural light has an undeniable charm that can transform a house into a warm, inviting home. Auburn Hills homeowners, renowned for their appreciation of beautiful aesthetics and functional designs, are increasingly embracing bow windows as a go-to solution for enhancing natural light while adding a touch of elegance to their living spaces. What are bow windows? Bow windows are a series of 4 to 6 windows arranged in a graceful arc that extends outward from the home's exterior. Unlike traditional flat windows, their curved structure creates a panoramic view and allows sunlight to stream in from multiple angles. This design not only brightens up the interior but also provides a stunning architectural feature to the home. Why natural light matters? Natural light is more than just a design element. It contributes significantly to a home's ambiance and the well-being of its residents. Sunlight can elevate moods, improve productivity, and even boost physical health by increasing vitamin D levels. Additionally, a well-lit room reduces the need for artificial lighting, cutting energy costs and promoting eco-friendly living. For Auburn Hills homeowners, who often experience Michigan's variable seasons, maximizing sunlight indoors ensures that homes remain cheerful and cozy even during the colder, darker months. The benefits of bow windows for Auburn Hills homes: maximize natural light. Bow windows are designed to capture light from multiple angles, making them ideal for brightening large rooms or darker spaces. Their curved shape allows light to flow into the home throughout the day, creating a dynamic and ever-changing atmosphere. Enhanced views. Living in Auburn Hills means being surrounded by beautiful landscapes, from tree-lined neighborhoods to scenic parks. Bow windows provide a wider, unobstructed view of the outdoors, making it easy to enjoy these sights from the comfort of your home. Added space. One of the unique features of bow windows is their ability to create extra interior space. The outward projection can be used for a cozy reading nook, a plant display, or additional seating. This added functionality is particularly appealing for families or those who love to entertain. Improved home value. Bow windows are a coveted architectural feature that enhances both curb appeal and resale value. Their timeless design and practical benefits make them a worthwhile investment for Auburn Hills homeowners looking to upgrade their properties. Choosing the perfect bow window. When selecting a bow window for your Auburn Hills home, there are a few factors to consider. Material. Choose durable materials such as vinyl or fiberglass for low maintenance and longevity, especially in Michigan's varied climate. Glass options. Consider energy-efficient glass with UV protection to keep your home comfortable year-round while minimizing energy costs. Customization. Work with a professional to design a bow window that complements your home's style, whether it's traditional or modern. Where to install bow windows. Bow windows are versatile and can enhance various areas of your home. Here are some popular locations. Living rooms. Create a bright, inviting space where family and friends can gather. Kitchens. Use a bow window above the sink or dining area for a cheery and functional upgrade. Bedrooms. Design a tranquil retreat with plenty of natural light and a cozy seating area. Home offices. Boost productivity with a light-filled workspace and inspiring outdoor views. Maintenance tips for bow windows. To keep your bow windows looking and functioning at their best. Regular cleaning. Clean the glass and frames regularly to maintain clarity and appeal. Check seals. Inspect seals to ensure they remain weather-tight, especially after harsh winters. Lubricate hardware. Maintain smooth operation by keeping hinges and handles well lubricated. Transform your Auburn Hills home today. Bow windows are more than just a functional addition. They are a statement of style and sophistication. By embracing this timeless feature, Auburn Hills homeowners can enjoy the perfect combination of natural light, aesthetic appeal, and enhanced functionality. Whether you're renovating an existing space or building a new home, Bow Windows offer a transformative upgrade that will brighten your home and your life. Consult with local experts to explore options and start your journey toward a sunnier, more beautiful home today.